some reason, I don't make it into heaven just because I didn't pray enough or I'm not enough of a saint, I have a real good feeling the devil wouldn't keep me. No, I talk a lot, and I got a lot of questions. Like, my nigga, don't you get tired of living in the shadow of Jesus? Do females hold your horns when you go down on them? I bet it makes it real hard to wear a hat, don't it? I know you got all that fire, but what kind of fuel you use down there? Is it gasoline? I bet it's kerosene, ain't it? If not, who pays your gas bill? Do you smoke cigarettes? How about weed? You smoke weed? What if I just wanted to book a vacation to one of your resorts? Do you give tours? What is your area code? Is it 666? Do you write Lil Wayne's lyrics? I bet your room got an air conditioner in it, don't it? This nigga gonna be like, what the fuck? God damn! Jesus, take the wheel, please! No, I'm not gonna do this. I can't do this. Fuck that. Jesus, you can have him. I don't want this nigga. Wait, I got some more questions. Wait, do you eat with your pitchfork? Please take this nigga. Ain't going nowhere, nigga. I'm here, nigga. You didn't have to do an interview to get your job? Get the fuck out.